There's a lot of things you can do with AI, but today we're going to talk about what you should not do with AI. How's it going? My name's Dennis. This is AI for 60 plus. I've been using AI every day for over 2 years now. I write with it every day, create content with it every day. I've written books with it. I've spoken at AI conferences. And there's so much you can do with it, but there's some things really you don't want to do with AI. And I'm going to tell you what that is. Number one, do not create social media posts with AI. Why? It's not going to sound like you. If you're putting out a Facebook post, and I put one out yesterday, and it was about something that was important to me, and I didn't write a word of it with AI, and I could have prompted AI, and it would have written a beautiful, eloquent montage of all sorts of things. And it's when it writes, it's that overeager student that wants to include everything that the teacher wants, and it leaves no stone unturned. And honestly, when it writes, it tries too hard. And that's how it's going to come across. You're going to come across like you tried too hard on a Facebook post. For what? You want to be authentic. You want it to be your voice. And honestly, nowadays, the way people are really watching AI, you would prefer to have mistakes in your post. It's better to have a mistake than a perfect post that everybody suspects that you used AI to write. And we're kind of in that time period now where people have really started to understand how powerful AI is. And they're using it, and they're using it a lot. But we're also in the backlash stage where people are questioning. You know, there's a book out there not too long ago was getting popular, and they found out it was written almost entirely, it was fiction, written almost entirely with AI. It was a huge scandal. And so now the super sleuths are out there, they're watching, and they're commenting. And okay, maybe you're not a famous person and nobody's going to check up on you, but your friends are going to notice. And I'll tell you what, I've used it every day. I told you this. I've used it every day for the last 2+ years. I can spot AI generated words a mile away. I'm serious. I'll do another video about how you can spot AI in writing. But let me just say, there are people out there that are going to read your post and they're going to know it's written with AI. And if it's about something meaningful, birth of a grandchild, talking about a health issue, and you're writing it with AI, you are going to come across as insincere at best, phony, and manipulative at worst. So do not do Facebook posts with AI.